Yeah, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. Wait, give me a second. Okay, everything is good. Let me just fucking. Okay, good. So, hope you're doing well as always. We are doing daily bias. So, starting on daily. Yesterday, candle just fucking dump higher. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looks like bullish week. So, I'm anticipating that Thursday will be also an expansion. But given the fact that we are before the NFP, so also it's not the best day to actually trade. But given the NFP, oh, actually there was unemployment claims today. Okay, given the NFP, it's actually not the best day to trade because it's before the NFP, so price action can be a bit choppy. But we will see because I really like today's bias actually. So right now, because the previous Del high haven't been taken, I will be looking for it. For our yeah for our right now we have this for our FG. So actually, it would make, given that we are bullish, it would make much more sense to manipulate here to then continue higher. But on lower time frame, it doesn't look like price really need to manipulate in this for our FEG, but we are going to keep this in mind. So like at the end, I will just give like scenarios that I will be looking for. Um, 1 hour, there are several SMTs. I really like that from like 0 a.m. opened lower, same with 6 p.m. So like those two are nicely aligned. There is SMT London manipulated for this Asia liquidity here. We nicely respected this FVG. So SMT, another SMT is at 8:30. This CSD here, SMT here. Actually, no FVGs here, but London manipulated. This 1 hour FVG, those SMT, so that's good. 15 minute. That's good. 15 minute. And yeah, and right now we have this nice market maker buy model to the upside. And what I want to say is that 8:30 at 8:30 there were news, right? Let's actually take a look where the 8:30 is because that's going to be important. So actually 8:30 made a manipulation lower, made a SMT here. Was there any 50-minute PDRA? Oh, sorry. Yeah, there was this 15 FEG. Given the fact we are bullish, given the fact there is SMT at 8:30 news. So actually, right now, this low shouldn't be violated. Like at 9:30, price should just expand lower and continue higher. But because there is no 15 PDRA and 9:30, probably will need to make a low somewhere. I will be cautious with this low here. Maybe it can be the low of the session, maybe it cannot be. I will be just cautious, but given like seeing right now what's going on, actually, I still keep in mind that 9:30 can bring some volatility. Sorry, I don't fucking know how to pronounce this shit, but some volatility, and 9:30 can manipulate in this 4-hour FEG to then continue higher, but that's not really aligning with but like maybe some SMT here, maybe some SMT here, and on NQ price will be holding the price. So this is actually my second scenario that I will be looking for, that at 9:30 price is going to manipulate this 4-hour FEG. There will be an SMT and price will continue towards previous daily high. That's actually would make sense, especially on ES, given the fact like how this consolidation look, and because of how Nasdaq look, I would like to have an SMT here, and I wouldn't like that. I wouldn't like to go below this London low. It's really clear. Also, 8:30 nice manipulation lower. So yeah, that's actually my second scenario, and the first scenario is that at 9:30 we are going to violate this previous daily high, and probably some, let's see, some projections. Yeah, and maybe some projections, you know, that's what I will be looking for. Yeah, there is this SM. Oh, wait. So there was this SMT. No, wait, was there SMT? No, there wasn't. So we left those lows here. Yeah. So how I said, I'm looking for bullish prices, for higher prices, especially previous daily highs. That is my first target, and maybe like how I said, the second scenario on ES price is going to, well, like, second scenario is that price will manipulate into this 4-hour FEG, create an SMT here with NQ, and will continue higher. So yeah, that's it for the before charts analysis, and we are seeing after the session. Yo, what's good, guys? So we are after the session. A lot of things to discuss today, so let's quickly start with this shit. So let's just quickly remind what I was looking for. So like, I was for sure looking for previous daily high on 4-hour. On 4-hour I was looking for previous daily high, and also for this FEG here. 1 hour. On 1 hour there was this MMX here, this previous daily high, and I made one fucking mistake. But let's actually just quickly let's quickly remind what I was looking for before, and after I will discuss what mistakes I made during my analysis. Okay, so there was this MMX, previous daily high was the first objective. There was also this previous, there was this 4-hour FEG, a lot of sales liquidity accumulation here, awful price action. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute, there was this MMX, 8:30 manipulated, so 9:30 wasn't like allowed. If previous daily high was the first target, 9:30 wasn't allowed to take this low. Only until 9:30 wasn't allowed to take this low until taking previous daily high. 5 minute. Was there anything special in 5 minute? Not really. Okay, so let's begin, and actually let's begin here. So yeah, one thing, because I remember that I said that I said something like, I had two scenarios, right? And I said that I will be either looking for, right now I remember. I said that, let me just pull up 1 hour, let me just pull up this video so I can quickly show you. Wait, let me just, wait, it was this one. No, not this one. 6 minute, not this one. Yeah, here you go. Okay, so on 1 hour, I said that I would be looking for either at 9:30 manipulation into this 4-hour FEG to then continue higher, or I would be looking for price to run this previous daily high and continue to like standard deviations of this range. And both of those analysis was wrong. Why? Let's actually analyze it right now. Wait, a little mess here. This is the CapCut. It's not needed right now, Safari. Let me just clear it. Okay. So it wasn't the case today because actually I don't fucking need it, Let's actually do it here. So because the first scenario of of wait, I said that I will be either looking for I said that I would be either looking for manipulation to for RFG to then continue higher, but this couldn't happen. You want to know why? Because on lower time frame there was a market maker buy model, and 830 was a soup and created a protected intermediate term low. So if price wanted to take this previous daily high, it was already set in this move which happened at 8:30. Let me actually show you. 15 minute. Yeah, I think it can be this one. I'm actually yeah, at 9:30 an SMT occurred, suggesting that the price was targeting the previous daily high. Previous daily high was the first obvious like target, like without like being a good trader, you could say that previous daily high was the target. So it became more probable that the previous daily high would be taken first. This SMT that occurred at 8:30 was just a turtle soup in this market maker buy model. Accumulation, manipulation, delivery. This manipulation one was into the discount price, created an SMT, so this was the soup in the market maker buy model. And seeing that this was done at 8:30, right now we know that if price had wanted to take this, if price wanted to take this previous daily high, then it wouldn't have violated this low, because there was SMT. It was a protected low in this market maker buy model. So just seeing this SMT, it was telling you that previous daily high is the first thing. This is the first thing. Okay, and right now the whole fucking narrative is building, because if we know, just seeing those information, that previous daily high is the first target, like price will fucking run it, no matter what, price will fucking run it. Seeing that there was this SMT in this market maker buy model, so this low here became the protected low on a 15 minute. So right now at 9:30 price will go higher for this previous daily high. And right now, if this is a protected low, then at 9:30 price is not going to sweep it, but it will go higher. What does it mean? That 9:30 will fucking manipulate into the previous daily high. And what does it mean? That on a 4 hour we had this sales liquidity here combined with 4 hour FVG, and right now everything you can fucking combine it with everything. If you take a look at that, if price even want to continue higher, no matter if it wants to continue higher or lower, it will fucking need to deliver it to this 4 hour FVG. Why? Because if the previous daily high is the first objective, so price is going to run the external liquidity, then even if it want to continue higher, it will need to come back to the internal range. So in this case, this is this 4 hour FVG. Bro, it's fucking aligning. It's like fucking aligning. So right now, seeing this first, knowing that the previous daily high was the first initial target, because that's what I said. I said that previous daily high was the first initial target, and I was either looking for the scenario that price was going to run for this 4 hour FVG, but it wasn't possible because of this market maker buy model with this SMT. So this was the protected low. That's why this scenario was wrong. And the second scenario, that price would continue going higher, was also wrong, because price was only targeting this previous daily high. Why? Because knowing that the 9:30 is not going to manipulate lower, because at previous daily high, this previous market maker buy model was going to end. Knowing that, so if price at 9:30 is not going to manipulate for this low and for this low, because price is moving in tandem on NQ and TS, right? So knowing that, we know that price at 9:30 like will open and will go higher, will fucking go higher. So later, What does it mean? That we still have a lot of buy sell liquidity here, sell sell liquidity here. What does it mean? That probably, okay, once price run this previous daily high, we know that price is going to return back for this sell sell liquidity here. Why? Because there is a lot of sell sell liquidity, and we are, after taking external liquidity, we are looking for instant internal comeback, you know. So right now my third scenario should have been that actually on NQ it will be something like that price is going, taking previous daily high, no wait, boom, something like that, and price creating SMT here. It should be something like that with SMT. Let me actually show you. Here, something like that. Knowing that 930 is going to manipulate, and it's not going to continue because we still had this sell liquidity here. Knowing that, we could anticipate that New York would be the New York reversal. So right now, knowing that New York can be potential reversal, we can target London lows because there is no FVGs, no fucking FVGs. So London low and this 4-hour FVG battle, just 4-hour FVG. Once price delivery to this 4-hour FVG, then we are done, you know. Once price had delivered in this 4-hour FVG, then it would have been done, okay. So that was the thing that actually fucked up my analysis after, because there was a nice setup to this previous daily high, which I called beforehand, but then actually it fucked up a bit on my analysis, and that's why I fortunately take a break-even trade. But it was close to be a loss, you know. So that was the major thing that actually fucked up my analysis. I don't know why I was still looking for higher prices. Like it was impossible to go higher without taking this accumulation here. Like what was going on ES, it was just a fucking accumulation. It was just accumulation. No matter what price would have done here, especially if it would have been a big ass bullish candle, then it would have been just a confirmation that this candle was just a manipulation. Also, another thing, why this was a great scenario to actually wait. Why actually it was the best scenario to play, because it was also like the best scenario because there is also a retail narrative. Because once price went above this previous daily high, then it generated a lot of even more sell-side liquidity here because people were buying above previous daily high, and there were stop losses here on swing lows, right? It's every fucking line. I don't know why I was looking. Yeah, like so to just 12 minutes, okay, to just memorize. It wasn't possible to manipulate lower because 830 already said, bro, first is previous daily high. Why? Because we are in this market maker buy model. 830 manipulated, made an SMT. Okay, good. So knowing that 930 is not going to violate this low, but will violate this previous daily high. Okay, that's the first thing. And second thing, we still had sell side below. What does it mean? That probably 930 is going to manipulate, and the low will be put after the 10. So probably depend on how far price is going to be from this candle here. Then we could also anticipate New York reversal on NQ, because on ES it wasn't really clean, you know. Let me see if there was anything that I want to share more. Speed of going after the here it was impossible to continue after previous daily high, because if price would have wanted to continue, then it would have looked like that. Bro, it was impossible. We still had objectives to take before going whenever you wanted to go. So that was the major thing that I wanted to share with you, because right now, right now, because like having a good narrative will play throughout the whole, like will play the important, the important, mm, having a good narrative, you know, like good scenarios, good if statements will determine your whole session and how you are going to look at what price is doing. So right now, let's actually go into 1 minute to analyze what happened, what was going on behind the scenes. Okay, so there was this huge market maker buy model here, accumulation, London manipulated. I was also looking for this as a London reversal, but this London reversal, it wasn't aligned with other things, you know. We still had this sell side, it wasn't aligned. So if it's not the London reversal, what does it mean? That probably this London reversal was just setting, in this case, sell side liquidity for New York to reverse, you know. Like those things are fucking like it's everything fucking aligning, but the importance of it is like you just need to think, you know, just need to think. And you know, it's like, but like it's coming with time, you know. It's like it's great that I can see it after, but with time I will be able to like call it exactly to the fucking, like, not to the tick, but like exactly call it before the session. And that's the main goal. That's why I'm recording those videos, so I can also learn from them and remind myself where I made the mistakes. Okay, so actually, 8:30 souped. It was also, there were also news. So knowing that, we know that 9:30 will manipulate higher. So we know that this low was protected, and on 5 minute, on 5 minute there was this order block, and this was the candle from 9:25 to 9:30. And if you take a look, between 9:25 and 9:30, price close above this. So this became an order block. So right now you could just target previous daily high, and let me just show you this. So it would look like that. There was this, no, it wasn't the setup. Yeah, it was looking like that. We closed above. Wait, give me a moment. Yeah, so it was looking like that. We closed above this order block, previous daily high. We know that 9:30 is going to manipulate. We don't target more. Like the only target that you could target more was this standard deviations from the London London leg projections, and you could target one. Price perfectly hit it. 1.5 was somewhere around here, but like low hanging fruit, especially like if you hadn't seen this narrative that 9:30 is going to manipulate to create the New York reversal, then low hanging fruits are, wait, what I wanted to say. Yeah, like probably if you wasn't aware that we can reverse after taking previous daily high, then probably you would be stopped out. But in this case, I would only take low hanging fruit, so 1 hour targeting previous daily high, maybe one projections leg. Okay, there was this setup, nice setup. Like today there were two great 5-minute setups, so this was the first of them. Then we took 9. Wait, something is going on in my mouth, I don't know. Wait. Okay. Price took the previous daily high, and we created an SMT at previous daily high with ES. It was here. So right now you could have looked for a, so right now you could look for a, actually for a breaker, like confirmation of the reversal. We took previous daily high on NQ, there was SMT. So let's assume that we had knew the first, like let's say that look on this price action only in the first scenario that I presented at the beginning. It's important because seeing this scenario, it will make much more sense for what price was doing. So we do this previous daily high. So despite ES didn't take previous daily high, that's okay. We are looking for reversal. Okay, waiting. Price closed here, not clear price action. There was 5-minute intermediate term low here, because there was a 5-minute FVG. Price went here, boom, potential turtle soup. So that's not aligned with our narrative here, because price took this short-term low and started going higher. So we look what's going on. Okay, price is messing around here, turtle soup from the short-term low, going higher. No FVGs here, we are waiting. Boom. We closed below this intermediate term low on 5-minute. So probably we are going for 15-minute intermediate term low. No setups here. Oh yeah, like you could. No, not setups, but doesn't matter. Okay, we took this 15-minute intermediate term low. So actually, right now we are looking for time. 9:37. The wrong time to put the low. That's the first thing. Again, we are really close to the London lows, and we are not going to reverse because we are looking on everything what's going here as a New York reversal. So right now, because we close below this 15-minute intermediate term low, that's mean that we are more bearish than bullish because we are not respecting those intermediate term lows. So yeah, we closed here. We actually closed with a nice wick. There was nothing special at this time, but with a moment you will see that that after we took this 15-minute intermediate low, there was, I believe, an SMT here. There was an SMT, and price on NQ just exploded. If you had been quick enough, you could take this order block here. Once price closed it, like it was clear that we are going for previous daily high. Let me actually mark it out, because if someone had been really quick, then he could have taken it. Sorry. Okay, and right now we took this previous daily high. Again, momentum SMT. It's even better. It's even giving a power for us to like look for these London lows here. Also, wrong time to put the low. We are reversing. Okay, what's going on in 5-minute? Wait, sometimes I will need to like stop to take a breath, so actually don't mind about it. Okay, it was here. No FVGs here. Let me see actually what was going on ES at this moment. No FVGs. We took this previous daily high. Price created an SMT, an FVG here. So right now we are just waiting for price to close below this 5-minute FVG. And if you take a look, also it was a beautiful market maker sell model here, like boom, accumulation, manipulation, momentum SMT. Right now we are just fucking waiting for even more confluence. Like at this moment in time, we could already anticipate that price is going to crash. It's going to close below this FVG, but we are just waiting. You could take out, of course, you could have taken a turtle soup here, but that's really advanced, to like cold, like not really advanced, seeing this momentum SMT. You could just enter on a, I don't know, order block here, but like I'm not more interested in order blocks, in breaker blocks right now. SMT here, boom, no FGs here. I would say that right now we are, because on NQ it wasn't clear, we are waiting for closure of this 5-minute FVG. Boom, price close here. You can enter here. Okay, you are scared. That's no problem. Even more confluence. We are closing here below this order block, and right now we are targeting for our FVG. put my stop loss here actually, because there is this breaker block. Yeah, if you would have target 2R, then you would get, maybe if your stop loss was here, or maybe if you have entered on the 5-minute FVG, then it would have been even 3R. Then it would be even 3R. But this was the setup of the day, I would say. It was really nice. And also another thing is that if you take a look what was going on before previous daily high, it was also a great confluence to like just sell those previous daily highs, though those subs, like the people who are buying, just selling those. Accumulation, bro. So this accumulation was setting this manipulation, this whole market maker sell model here, you know. So that's also important fact. And then actually there was the setup I entered once price closed above this breaker. It was such a, because there was still this 5-minute FVG. I don't fucking know what I had in mind, but because I was still looking for those higher prices, because I was still looking for, and especially once price closed with this wick here, I was like, damn, I said, okay, we are still going higher, you know, like, but that's because my narrative was fucked up. Like, I don't know why I was still looking for higher prices, but maybe it was because of what was happening in days before, like we were just going higher, and maybe that fucked up a bit my like rational thinking, but that's okay, you know, until you're taking lessons from situation like that, until you are journaling them, that's okay, you know. Okay, let me see 5-minute here. Yeah, on 5-minute there was some mess, you know. This consolidation here. It was like you could just zoom out and see that there is consolidation, which was building a lot of buy sell liquidity above, and seeing this consolidation, boom, there was this manipulation into London low for our FVG once price closed above it, confirming that it's not going to be a turtle soup. Then boom, you could target those highs here. This was also a nice setup. But yeah, let's come back into those candles here. There was this order block here with this SMT. It was like it would be the same entry as it was here. Actually, you would have been stopped out, but price delivered into the London low, and that was a clear manipulation, which was setting this market maker buy model here. You know, let me actually see one thing. I'm really interested in one thing. Damn, price didn't deliver into discount. Wait, I need to actually take a look here. God damn, price didn't even deliver into the discount. Or maybe I should measure this leg here. Yeah, probably yeah. Yes, I think that was all. That was 12. I'm not looking for what was after. Last stage in the bigger market maker buy model, accumulation before, same thing. There was accumulation before taking previous daily high, which was another confluence that this accumulation here was setting another market maker sell model. It was generating sell side below. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Like, let me see if I have wrote anything. Yeah, like I just took this setup, you know. We can like quickly. Unfortunately, it was a break even, so God bless me. But like it was just a setup that because I have a fucked up narrative, but it was a FOMO trade, you know. Like if I have to be honest, it was a FOMO trade, and I just wanted to be right, and I just wanted to, you know, quickly achieve my fucking. Okay, I'm back because I just wanted to, you know, have a win here, and that's why. But despite even despite my narrative was fucked up here, the price action wasn't the best to take this trade because I wanted to buy once on ES price making an SMT and we were above previous daily high. You know, so like if you take a look behind, you would say that, bro, like you know shit about this. Like taking those type of setups, you probably know shit, you know? It's like that's what that's what that's something that I also thought when I actually uh, get like became aware of what setup I just took, you know. So this setup is just showing me that my psychology wasn't the best today. But fortunately, then I saw this setup here. I wanted to take it, but I didn't take it, and that. Despite I took this shitty loss, I was fucking happy that I didn't. I was like, damn. I was like, I need to take it. I need to take it. But you know, those fucking demos, like I just overcome them. You know, that was great. And also, once I saw that this actually would have been a loss because my stop loss would have been like around here, it would be it was even better. But then I called this setup, like I just take a screenshot of it here, like okay, let me show it to you again. Yeah, like I called it this setup before, and I also said, damn, I just could take it, you know, but I didn't because I have rules. I have one setup a day, and that's why that's so fucking important because once you take a loss, then it's really hard to again think rationally about the price action. Okay, 30 minutes, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.